Calm down, JNELLY. Calm down, JNELLY. Oh my God. Christmas is 7 days. Rudolph, Blitzen, Donner, Comet, Jingle Bells, Fairy Tales. Calm. Okay, but Christmas is in 7 days and I have not mailed any Christmas gifts. What am I supposed to get? What am I supposed to do? I'm on a budget. Oh my God. Okay, so Dollar Tree it is. Wish me luck. Like, I don't know what I'm doing yet. I don't know what I'm mailing yet. I don't know when I'm doing it yet, but I'm at the store right now. And then, okay, I'll be back. Okay, the stress is finally over. I decided to make cookies, and I'm doing a voiceover just because it was so loud in my apartment, and I apologize. So hopefully this voiceover sounds great. First, you need a mixer. You'll need some sugar, followed by brown sugar. And you also need some butter, vanilla, 2 eggs, a bowl of flour, some marshmallows, and other cookies items that you may want. I use chocolate chips and 3 different types of M&Ms if you're wondering. I also needed baking soda and salt. After all your ingredients are measured out, you can put the baking soda and the salt inside the bowl and then stir and set to the side. Then if you haven't already, make sure your mixer is all put together. Mine was not, so as you can see, I'm putting the whisk onto the mixer. Be sure to lock your mixer in place, and then unwrap the butter if you haven't done so already, and then place that into the mixing bowl with the brown sugar and the regular sugar, and then cream that for about 8 minutes. While you're creaming your butter and sugars, you can grab your eggs and vanilla and then mix those two together and set that to the side until it's finished creaming. While the creaming process is finishing up, be sure to set your oven at 325. Once you're done scraping the bowl, be sure to add the egg and vanilla mixture. Mix that on low speed until evenly distributed. Once the liquids are mixed in, you can turn the speed up to medium. Be sure to scrape the bowl again, and then add the flour, baking soda, and salt mixture. Now turn the mixer on slow. Once all the flour has been combined, you may turn the speed up to medium. It then should look like this. was not the consistency I was looking for, so I added another half of cup of flour. I then grabbed 4 bowls and equally distributed the dough between the 4. Once all the dough was out of the mixing bowl, I added the marshmallows and chocolate chips to one, the chocolate chips and mini M&Ms to another. Then I also added the white chocolate M&Ms to one bowl and the caramel filled M&Ms to the other. And then you can stir up the doughs with the spatula. Whatever one you want to do first is up to you. If you choose to just do one type of chocolate, you can just do it directly in the mixing bowl instead of separating it into the 4 bowls like I did. I decided to add more marshmallows and chocolate chips to this first bowl just because I wanted to be more in there, but it's basically your preference, so as many as you want to add is up to you. I just repeat the same mixing process for the other 3 bowls, and I added more if I thought it needed more. Once all the bowls were mixed, I grabbed my medium-sized scooper, put parchment paper on each sheet tray. Then for the large sheet trays, I did 3x4, and for the small ones, I did 3x3. And I baked these all at 325 for about 18 minutes. But the longer you keep them in, the harder they get. But I like soft cookies, so therefore mine's only baked for 18 minutes. And then I let it rest on the sheet tray until they are fully cooled down to continue the cooking process. I then repeated the same steps for the other 3 cookies. all your cookies are trayed up, feel free to place them in the oven at 325 for about 18 minutes. This time can vary depending on how soft you would like your cookies. If you like them a little bit on the harder side, you can leave them in there for like 20 minutes. So after the cookies were done, I took them out and let them sit on the sheet tray. If you would like to see how I package these cookies, feel free to tune into the next video.